Hello everyone! Today we're going to be showing you 4 different trendy bracelets that got me tons of compliments and how to make them. So let's get started. I just like to measure the elastic around my wrist, and I also have a tutorial on how to make stretchy seed bead bracelets that's a lot more detailed and specific than this, so I will put the link in the description to that, and so you can check that out if you haven't already. But anyways, I'm just going to take my elastic string and put some tape at the end because I can't find my clips I usually clip onto the end so the beads stay on. So I'm just folding some tape over the end. And then I am going to get straight to beading my bracelet. So this first bracelet, I'm starting with my biggest size of bead. I'm not exactly sure at the time of filming what sizes these are, but I will find that out and also put it in the description. So go ahead and check that out down there. And so I'm just putting white beads on, and then I'm going to be putting a simple smiley face bead on, and this is so trendy and so cute, and it goes well with like everything because white goes with everything. And then the smiley face, you don't have to be wearing yellow for it to work, but if you are, it works like even better. So I highly recommend trying to make this bracelet because it turned out so cute and I just loved it. And then at this point, I'm just going to measure it around my wrist to make sure it fits me, and then I'm going to tie it. I also have a really good short. It's only 30 seconds long, super worth your time. That shows you exactly how to do that. And there it is, the finished product. It's so cute. Alright, and so now I have 3 more bracelets. That one was actually not originally going to be in this video, but I thought I would add it since I made it on camera anyways. But this first one out of these 3 is going to be a cute little heart bead in the middle of blue beads on my bracelet, and this is my smallest bead size. Once again, I'll put those down in the description so you can check that out. So from here, I'm just going to add the blue beads to my string and then the heart bead, and then tie it up and be done. And right now, I think it's the perfect time to tell you guys about a new thing I'm so excited to do that I'm going to start doing at the end of every single one of my videos on this channel. So I'm going to start doing a small business shout out. I'm so excited because I'm going to take little businesses that I see or like my friends' businesses and give them a little shout out at the end of the video. So go ahead and stick around if you want to see those, because my first one is actually going to be on this video. And if you have a small business that you would like to have me do a shout out for, go ahead and throw the Etsy link or the Instagram link in the comments. I really want to check it out, and I also want to support you guys. So if I see something I want and like, I will definitely order. And so just make sure to put that down there, and I will try to give you a shout out, or if I like your business, I will definitely give you a shout out, and I'm so excited for that. So go ahead, put them down there. I would love to see all of your businesses, and it doesn't matter what kind of small business you are, I just want to see your awesome products. Alright, so now we're going to make the next bracelet. This one is actually just kind of like the first one I made with the smiley face bead, but this time I'm doing it with black beads, and I absolutely loved how it turned out. I've literally worn this bracelet every single day since I made it in this video. And so I'm putting these black beads on. These ones are like middle-sized beads. Once again, I know it's terrible I don't have the sizes right now, but I will put them in the description before I post this video. So these are like middle-sized beads, and I thought they were perfect sized for the smiley face bead because I thought the white ones were a little bit too big, but I still liked how it looked. And I feel like the other ones are a little too small, like they look too dainty, which is really good for some looks, but for like this trendy smiley face look, I feel like I needed that mid-sized bead. I feel like that was perfect. So you can see me just putting the beads on, and then I'm going to tie that up, and then we will be finished with this bracelet. Oh, I love this bracelet so much. I really cannot express how much I love this bracelet. Then I just tied my bracelet. I took off the tape before I tied it so that it didn't get in my way, and I was finished with this one. It turned out so cute, and I liked wearing both of them together too. I think it was some fun contrast. So on to the final bracelet of this video. I wanted to go for more of a like spacey sort of theme, since that seems like it's been really popular and trendy, the like space look. I also have some galaxy like beads that I mixed together that I am planning on doing another video on how to make a like little galaxy bead kit for yourself and how to make galaxy bracelets. But for now, I'm just doing a silver with this cute star bead that I will link in the description so you can get some of those yourself if you'd like. And you can also use gray if you don't have silver, or like any other color, but I thought the silver was fun and like really spacey, and I thought it turned out really good. And it was super cute to pair with some of my astronaut earrings I have that I sell for my business, and I love those things. And so the astronaut necklace, astronaut earrings, and this cute bracelet was just wonderful to wear. I wish I had like a NASA shirt, because I've seen a lot of those. I wish I had like a NASA shirt to pair with it, but that will have to wait for another day when I end up buying one. But I just thought the look was super cute with all of them together. You could do a ton of cute stuff with that in an outfit. If you guys end up making any of these and you post them somewhere, I would love to see them, so just tag me. My username on Instagram is Kenna's Daisies, and TikTok is also Kenna's Daisies, and it's just the same as my YouTube channel, but without the space. And you can also put a link in the description of this video, and I will definitely check it out, and maybe I'll even show it in the next video, because I think that's super cute and super exciting. So now I'm just going to tie this bracelet, and we are finished with that last bracelet. And so now you know what it means. It is our small business shout out time. So I'm so excited for this first one. And the shout out is Oh Well Stickers. You can see my Kenna's Daisies sticker that she made me. It's a little worn down because I've had it for so long, but I absolutely love it. And I just wanted to show you guys her Instagram, and you saw her Etsy a minute ago. I'll put a link in the description to her Etsy. I love this business, and her stickers are so cute, and so I really recommend going and checking them out. Go support her. She puts a portion of her sales towards saving the whales, and so she's like super environmentally friendly and awesome. Anyways, go check her out, give her some love, and you guys have a wonderful day.